If you love the idea of coming home to a warm, perfectly cooked meal, but don't have the time to cook all day, then this Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker with an auto-warm setting is about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. From holiday meals to everyday family dinners, this large slow cooker is designed to meet the needs of busy cooks who value both style and functionality. The Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker doesn't just offer high-end features. It also brings elegant design and superior performance into your kitchen, helping you create mouth-watering meals with minimal effort. Whether you're preparing a feast for a crowd or simply need a reliable way to keep your meals warm, this programmable slow cooker ensures that every meal is delicious and stress-free. Let's dive into what makes this Crock-Pot 8-Quart slow cooker the perfect companion for your cooking routine. Why you'll love the Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker. At a generous 8-quart size, this slow cooker is perfect for feeding 10+ people. Whether you're cooking a large pot roast, preparing chili for a crowd, or making a hearty soup, the Crock-Pot 8-Quart Slow Cooker offers ample space for all your cooking needs. It's large enough to prepare meals for a family gathering, party, or even a holiday feast. Feeds a crowd. Easily accommodates large meals for family dinners or gatherings. Perfect for holidays, whether it's a Thanksgiving turkey or a Christmas ham, this slow cooker can handle it all. Large roasts, stews, soups, and more. Ideal for cooking big batches of your favorite dishes. Gone are the days of waiting around for your slow cooker to finish. The Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker comes with a digital timer that allows you to set cooking times up to 20 hours. Simply set the desired time, and the slow cooker will do the rest, automatically switching to the warm setting once the cooking time is completed. This means you can enjoy freshly cooked meals without worrying about overcooking or undercooking. Up to 20 hours of cooking time, perfect for recipes that need a long simmer to develop rich flavors. Auto warm setting. Once cooking is done, the cooker keeps your food at the perfect temperature without drying it out. This slow cooker doesn't just deliver in functionality, it also brings a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. The black stainless steel finish is not only elegant but also highly practical. It resists smudges and fingerprints, keeping your appliance looking sleek and polished with minimal maintenance. Sleek and modern, the black stainless steel finish complements any kitchen decor. Easy to clean. Wipe away smudges with a dry cloth to keep your slow cooker looking new. We all know that cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Crock-Pot 8-Quart Slow Cooker simplifies the process. Both the stoneware pot and the glass lid are dishwasher safe, which means you can easily clean them after every meal. The removable stoneware pot also makes serving easier. Just lift it out, and you're ready to dish out your meal. Dishwasher-Safe Parts. Cleanup is as easy as placing the lid and stoneware in the dishwasher. No more scrubbing. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meal. Sometimes, life throws a curveball and the power goes out. But don't worry. The Crock-Pot 8-Quart Slow Cooker features a memory function that allows it to resume cooking from its previous settings after a brief power interruption, up to 5 seconds. This ensures your meal will continue cooking without skipping a beat, so you won't have to worry about losing time on your perfectly planned dinner. Power outage protection. The slow cooker remembers the settings in case of a brief power failure. Reliable cooking. Ensures your meal is cooked right, even if the power goes out momentarily. Why this slow cooker is a must-have. The Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker isn't just any slow cooker. It's a true kitchen powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design. Its programmable features, large capacity, and auto-warm setting make it ideal for busy families, party hosts, and anyone who enjoys a home-cooked meal without the constant monitoring. Plus, its elegant black stainless steel finish ensures that it looks as good as it performs. If you're tired of having to check on your food or dealing with cold, overcooked meals, the Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker is the perfect solution. It helps you save time, stay organized, and enjoy delicious, well-cooked meals every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.